So it's the morning after, guys. St. Patty's Day was, I would say it was a success. I had a fun time. A lot of debauchery, per usual. Checkout was 10. We're over here at 10:05. Just fashionably early. But yeah, we're gonna get back on the road and get right back to it. Back to our scheduled mission.
We are in a unique little cafe spot with the chainsaw through the wall and a massive scone that takes up the whole plate. Oh my god, big bag season. We've actually driven past Wanaka already. The boys are all prepping because I told them that they're about to cross a river.
We have an uncracked Flex Seal bag if you want to waterproof that shit.
The bridge is closed to get to the infamous Blue Pools, but we've already missed out on Roy's Peak, which is supposed to be the most beautiful hike in all of New Zealand. But this is also equally reviewed well.
Well, I guess it's because they go for the...
This is how we were solving the evil wallaby and evil... What is it?
Ship rats.
The ship rats.
Yeah, they look like ferrets. They're about yay long, and they came on ships, obviously.
Shit.
Hire me, National Geographic.
The first of many barriers. So, it says work from above, be careful of falling objects. They appear to be redoing this little suspension bridge. I think Nolan may be going to a rapid section. I was gonna go like, what do you think? Logan has a lot of experience in getting caught up in these.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm...
So I'm gonna wait for Logan to pick a spot and choose another spot.
So we're out here at Blue River. The bridge is out of commission, but the river is walkable. So we're actually going to the Blue Pools. That's what we're trying to do. It's hard to think right now. I'm very cold. So we just crossed the second river, and I think all of our feet are cold as heck and a little bit of pain. And there's sand flies, which are biting, as well as mosquitoes. So we're about to go deed up.
Oh my god! Why?
On the drive up, we saw a review online from a day ago, someone saying that it was too high of water and too fast to cross the river. And we were joking about it, saying that, oh, 3 out of 4 of us will make it across and we'll comment on their post. Lo and behold, 3 out of 4 of us made it across, and we're definitely going to drop that comment. Now we're looking at this sign, and yeah, we don't know if we're on the right trail. So this is our second river crossing that we just did, right back here, and
Nolan.
we think that might be the Blue Pool right behind us.
No, Nolan, it's back over and there's another river over there.
So we crossed the wrong river apparently.
The other river's like on the trail over there. I don't know how we're supposed to get to it though. Yeah, we're not allowed to go over there, which is where we came from.
We're also not allowed to go over there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but we can go over there.
Yeah, let's go up. What's up?
We're going up?
Yeah. Oh. Kiddo, hurry up. We're not allowed to go left or right, so we gotta go up.
Maybe I'll wait for Nolan to not I mean, time out.
Top. Pretty top.
No, you go right.
Dude, we're the stupidest people on the planet.
Bro, why did the other people say you could do it?
Okay, wait, I don't know if this is the right way. So if you guys want to come out to the Blue River, or the Blue Pools, make sure to only do 1 river crossing. Because it's cold. And we had to do, we've done 3 so far. We only needed to do 1. and we'll have to do one more to get home, but we have this whole area to ourselves. We're kind of below the ridge a bit, so the people on the opposite bank can't see us, so it's quite private. Guys, that got a little sketchy. I did a little stop there and I was like, can I make this? And there's only one choice, I have to make it. So here we are. All the gear is nice and dry. It'd be a very expensive L. So Shane may have left his drone on the other side of the river. We just turned over the entire car and he is a little frantic.
Fuck me, bro.
Dude, this feels like a what? What's it called? Like the heat-seeking missile cam.
Alright, so we have Shane running, he's looking up.
We are sick and tired of all these waterfalls, honestly. This is getting ridiculous.
I know. If there's a waterfall at the end of this trail, I'm gonna lose my mind.
To the sunset. It's been a very eventful day. We had a lot of river crossings, me in particular because I left my drone back over there, but we're a little more familiar right now with the terrain. Back at the beach, probably spending the night on the west coast and then heading up to Fox Glacier tomorrow. Now Nolan has to go grab his drone across this murky water. Super gross. I mean, it looks beautiful, but lots of brown dirt and it's not moving. Nolan's doing the most to get his baby back up and running. Okay. Nolan's asked me to fly it. He's holding it like it's Simba. Whoever over here always wear full always wear pants that mosquitoes can't bite through, sand flies, they're all the worst, which we just found out. We have made it out to our freedom camping spot. It's a salmon farm / cafe that allows us to camp outside in their parking lot until tomorrow morning.
I think there's so much sausage meat, we're not ready.
It's only 60% meat.
64% meat,
64%.
36% unknown ingredients in this sausage meat.
We don't ask questions out here. We just eat. Yeah. So it's one of our final days out here in New Zealand. Just got a couple left before we're off to Sydney for a couple days of fun. Tonight's camp was just outside a cafe, to be honest. It's a salmon farm, so maybe it's got some unique things that way, but not too bad at all.
King Tiger.
It's a good day, guys. It's a good day. Feeling a little rough, but the day clothes kicked in and I'm about to munch. If you guys don't know already, I have a nut allergy. So it can be tough out here. They said they didn't have nuts. My body's telling me right now that something's a little nutty in there. I think it was after the curry. I started with that one, the Indian curry. I forget the name, starts with a V. But not feeling too great. Not feeling too great at all. Yeah, we'll see if I lose my stomach or not. I got the little bag ready. And yeah, I'm not super stoked.
Go. Well, we're getting new signs out here in New Zealand. We are en route to Fox Glacier, but the boys' expectations are low. We met numerous people that have said that it's just way less beautiful than Mount Cook. I mean, just look at it. It's pretty god-awful.
Good morning, guys. It's our last night in the motorhome, and I lucked out. Kata wanted the little cubby, so I got my own bed, which was nice. I'm feeling a lot better today. So we're heading off to Christchurch today to drop off the RV before 4. I'm not too slow getting out of here. It's 9:15 right now. Just finished up some breakfast and coffee. Well, I finished up. The guys are inside still eating a little bit.
Now that I'm looking, I think I need a little more, actually.
I will kill you.
Shane,
I think I need a little more.
took all
now
the
that I think
sriracha
about it.
mayo.
I didn't
I will
take
kill you.
Shane took
shit
all the
out
sriracha
here.
mayo.
So we're out here at this unknown waterfall. Definitely has a name, I just don't know it. Reminds me a lot of Yosemite out here, where you can just hike a little further than the deck where people are allowed to sit, and you get a fabulous little private view all to yourself. It's nice, very nice.
Found a nice little pool in paradise.
So we're back at the Tui camper drop-off zone. We just dropped off our camper right there. That was our home for the past week and a half. She treated us pretty well. Made it back in one piece, which is good, or for the most part, one piece. Yeah, this motorhome experience has been absolutely fantastic. Like, so fun. I highly recommend doing it with multiple people so you can split up the driving. But the job is done. We're back off to Sydney next for a couple nights. Gonna go party there, spend the weekends, and that should be great. For right now, I could probably go for a nap, maybe a beer. Still got a bottle of wine, so yeah. Deep breaths over here.